Hello everybody, I am so happy to be back. I took a little break for a bit there. I feel like I took like a leave of absence from YouTube. But anybody who follows on Instagram knows exactly what's going on. And if you don't know, I will explain a little bit later. Like I said, it feels so good to be back and crafting and uploading. And I cannot wait to share this DIY with you guys. These baskets are in store as we speak. I know a lot of people are messaging me saying that they haven't found them just yet. They're coming out for spring, so just keep your eye out within the next week or so. I picked up gray, but they come in a variety of colors, and some twine, some nautical rope, and I have this chalk paste on hand. You can use any white paint. I did 2 coats on my basket. I don't want it to look perfect. I want it to look weathered, and I want it to go with the theme, which is in my home is a farmhouse shabby chic theme. So then guys, you're gonna go ahead and take your twine here, and as you can see, I'm just kind of trying to figure out how I want this to look. You can go all the way to the halfway, you can go just a couple strands at the bottom. It just depends on you. I did count 8 rows up, and what I decided to do was just tie a knot through the holes there, as you can see, and then that's how I ended up wrapping my twine all around, and then I just tied the end knot in the same area. Taking your nautical rope, you see that this comes apart very easy. I did not want a super thick handle, so that's why I took the nautical rope apart. It took 2 strands to do this piece because I did not really measure. I just used what I had on hand, and it took me 2 strands to use this, and all I did was apply glue at the beginning, and then as you can see there, just glued that end and started yet again, and then did the other end just the same way. This is what you should have, your end result. And then these awesome roses from the Dollar Tree were such a hit this season. I had to go to 3 Dollar Trees just to find as many as I was looking for to make this wall. I'm so excited at the way that this turned out. I want to add 2 more baskets, and this will be my spring wall in my shed, and I just love the way that they turned out. That sign is from the Target dollar spot from last spring season, and so I can't wait to see what they put out this season, but that's what they did last season. And then that wreath there will be also later on. I'll post today another tutorial or another DIY video, and that'll be on those wreaths that you see there. So I was excited about this organization wall because this is really important to me. I become really flustered when I'm working on projects and I can make a humongous mess. So to me, this was so conventional, just pulling baskets off the wall per project. So I labeled them Project 1 and Project 2, and they hold so nicely. Anybody who knows scrapbook paper, it's very heavy. There are 2 small scrapbook paper pads in there, plus scrapbook paper, and that's 12 by 12 paper. So I thought that was pretty neat, guys. I thought that it was cool. Like if I needed to go into the studio, I can just take my Project 1 basket and work what I was working on at the studio with that project basket. So I thought that was so neat. Makes me want to buy like 10 more and just have them there with each project that I'm working on. I did want to show you that those pencil holders are only adhered to the wall with foam tape. They hold very well. This is my shed, so I'm not too crazy about messing up paint. I mean, I am, but I'm not. So they hold really well, and they're just holding some foam brushes and my midliner zebra pens and some hole punches. And then that's pretty much it, guys. So that's when I was working on the wall right there. That's why you don't see the other baskets. But I hope you guys like this DIY. It's a fun, easy one, and you can totally just make these so much more. I actually have another little DIY that I did with one of them that my grandma and my aunt really liked. My other aunt. A little reason why I have been off of YouTube is just because we lost 2 family members in a matter of a month. And for those who know, my aunt was like a mother to me, and I take it really hard. So I have really great days, and then I have these days where I just can't even get out of bed. So I just wanted to kind of let everybody know that maybe that's, you know, in the end why I'm finding it so hard to kind of work on videos. It can be extremely tedious. So I thank God for all the support and all the messages and all the kind, sweet, you know, stuff that you guys send. It means a lot to me, and like I said, I just want to thank everybody from the bottom of my heart. Thanks. Thank you for following me. Thank you for supporting me. If you do not follow my Instagram, I suggest that you do, just because I upload their projects maybe 2 weeks beforehand before I post to YouTube. So please do that. That's at lemonavenuediy on Instagram. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.